Question number 281. What is the primary advantage of using Azure's built-in security features compared to managing security on premises? Option A, lower cost. Option B, reduced expertise required. Option C, decreased flexibility. Option D, increased complexity. The correct answer is option B, reduced expertise required. Azure's built-in security features are designed to be easier to implement and manage compared to on-premises security, reducing the need for specialized security expertise. Azure provides automated tools and services that handle many aspects of security, such as threat detection, encryption, and access control, making it easier for businesses to maintain a secure environment without needing deep in-house security expertise. Question number 282. Which compute type offers the greatest flexibility and control over the underlying hardware, allowing you to customize the environment to your specific needs? Option A, container. Option B, serverless. Option C, function. Option D, virtual machine. The correct answer is option D, virtual machine. Virtual machines, VMS, offer the greatest flexibility and control over the underlying hardware. With VMS, you can customize the environment by selecting the operating system, configuring the hardware specification, and installing the necessary software, making it ideal for applications that require specific configurations or legacy applications that need a particular setup. Question number 283. What type of scaling typically involves moving from a smaller machine to a larger, more powerful machine? Option A, vertical scaling. Option B, horizontal scaling. Option C, scaling out. The correct answer is option A, vertical scaling. Vertical scaling involves moving from a smaller machine to a larger, more powerful machine. This typically means increasing the CPU, RAM, or storage capacity of a single server to handle more demanding workloads. Question number 284. Which tool lets you centralize your file shares in Azure files and keep the flexibility, performance, and compatibility of a Windows file server? Option A, Azure File Sync. Option B, Azure Storage Explorer. Option C, AZ Copy. The correct answer is option A, Azure File Sync. Azure File Sync allows you to centralize your file shares in Azure files while keeping the flexibility, performance, and compatibility of a traditional Windows file server. It syncs on-premises Windows Server with Azure file shares for a hybrid cloud setup. Question number 285. Can resource groups be nested? Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option B, no. In Azure, resource group cannot be nested. Each resource group is a container for resources, but it cannot contain other resource groups. Resources can be organized within a single resource group, but you cannot create a hierarchy of resource groups within one another. Just a quick reminder, if you don't want to watch all these videos and instead download all questions and answers, then feel free to purchase them on Buy Me a Coffee page. I have shared the link below. Question number 286. What is the primary purpose of a virtual machine skill set in Azure? Option A, to group virtual machines for easier management. Option B, to provide load balancing for web applications. Option C, to automatically scale virtual machines based on demand. Option D, to ensure data redundancy and durability. The correct answer is option C, to automatically scale virtual machines based on demand. The primary purpose of a virtual machine skill set in Azure is to automatically scale the number of virtual machines up or down based on demand, providing high availability and reliability for your application. This scaling can be done based on load, metrics, or schedules, allowing the application to adjust to varying traffic levels. Question number 287. What entities can managed group contain? Option A, resource group. Option B, subscriptions. Option C, management groups. Option D, resources. The correct answer is option B, subscriptions. Management groups in Azure are used to organize and manage multiple subscriptions. They allow you to apply policies, access controls, and compliance requirements across several subscriptions at once. Management groups can contain subscriptions, but they do not contain individual resources or resource groups. Question number 288. Which Azure App Service hosting option would you choose if you wanted isolated hardware and network, ensuring they are not used by any other Azure customers? Option A, App Service Environment. Option B, Bare Metal Hosting. Option C, App Service Plan. Option D, Virtual Machine. The correct answer is option A, App Service Environment. An app service environment provides an isolated, fully managed environment for running Azure web apps at high scale. It offers features like network isolation, custom domain, and high security, ensuring that the underlying hardware and network are dedicated solely to your application and are not shared with other Azure customers. This is ideal when you need an isolated environment. Question number 289. Which of the following is the most likely scenario in which to choose Infrastructure as a Service IaaS option in cloud computing? Option A, someone looking to run an app for free in the cloud. Option B, someone looking to reduce administrative overhead. Option C, brand new development. Option D, lift and shift migration. The correct answer is option D, lift and shift migration. Lift and shift migration refers to moving existing on-premises applications and workloads to the cloud without redesigning them. Infrastructure as a Service IaaS is often the best option in this scenario because it allows businesses to move their existing infrastructure, such as virtual machines, storage, and networks to the cloud with minimal changes to the application architecture. This makes it ideal for scenarios where organizations are looking to migrate their current workloads to the cloud without significant modifications. Question number 290. What is the key characteristic of serverless computing that distinguishes it from traditional infrastructure? Option A. Automatic scaling based on demand. Option B. Limited scalability options. Option C. Fixed pricing structure. Option D. Requires manual server management. The correct answer is option A. Automatic scaling based on demand. Serverless computing automatically scales resources based on the workload's needs without the user needing to manage the underlying infrastructure. In traditional infrastructure models, you would need to provision and manage servers, whereas serverless computing abstracts that complexity and handles scaling dynamically based on demand. This is a key distinguishing characteristic.